Mark your calendar, US Festival is back in Chicago's vibrant Fulton Market neighborhood, and this is one you won't want to miss. It will take place in only a few short weeks on October 2nd and 3rd for 2 days of Umbraco updates, tips and tricks, incredible case studies, networking, and a few surprises along the way. Umbraco US Fest is where developers, designers, content editors, and digital leaders from all over the world come together for 2 full days of open source collaboration, learning, and networking. Expect inspiring talks and breakout sessions designed to sharpen your skills, uncover best practices, and keep you ahead of emerging trends. You'll also get hands-on learning, practical workshops where you can build, experiment, ask questions, and walk away with something you can apply immediately. But it's more than just sessions. It's about connections. You'll meet others who are just as passionate about Umbraco, swap stories, share solutions, and grow your network. You'll also discover tools, explore sponsored demos, and see what's new in the Umbraco ecosystem. Maybe even find the perfect solution for your next project. And of course, there's the energy that only this community brings. It's fun, it's inspiring, and it's the kind of experience that sticks with you. So here's what you need to know. The event will take place on October 2nd and 3rd, 2025 at mHUB in Fulton Market. It's the same cool, modern space as last year, and we're excited to be back. Join us at Umbraco US Festival 2025, where inspiration, innovation, and community come together. Hope to see you soon in Chicago, and of course, stop by and say hello. I'd love to meet you in person.